announcer on the screen watching hockey, maybe the fastest game any place. What do you think of this air show so far?
Well, that had me in shock a little bit. Oh my gosh, that was spectacular. I think I'm just as in awe as everybody out there in the crowd. I even looked at you at one point and said,
Air superiority fighters of the United States Air Force. The flight lead, ladies and gentlemen, is a lady, Jessica Gillette. It's the only name that's important right now, but what I want you to know is that the men and women who serve in our United States Air Force exhibit the same kind of honor, courage, and commitment that those who fought in the skies and set the record. Watch for the break as these two airplanes that are close together will set up for landing, and I think we'll see them do the break here. He calls it give, guy in back. In this case, number one, it's the gal in back, or whatever. Less than 2 miles, here they come, ladies and gentlemen, from Selfridge, Michigan, and the Selfridge Air National Guard, your United States Air National Guard F-15E Strike Eagles. Tailpipes of that second one as it made its turn. That's called an afterburner. The actual operation of a jet engine, in case you don't know, is pretty simple. You suck the air in the intake, you squeeze that air up with a bunch of teeny fan blades, and then you take that compressed air, feed it into a combustion chamber with sensor aircraft that have replaced the EA-6B Prowler from years ago. On the roll, take a look.